Hello everyone. Today we're making breakfast smoothies, and for ingredients installed we have blueberries, Greek yogurt, coconut water, a banana, finally some peanut butter. So first you want to put in the coconut water, or likely something else. And then there's ice cubes. And now I'm going to put in the coconut water up to 1. There! And now we're gonna chop up the banana. But first you have to peel. Or you can just put it in like it is. What I like to do for the second peel, boom. And also no bottom. There, I got the peanut butter. Usually it takes a little bit. Okay, that's proper. See? Look at that nice piece of peanut butter. Get it? Piece of peanut butter. Now that I've washed my hands, I'm going to put in the yolk. Now I'm going to get a proper spoon. You know what? There. I'll just put that there. Today we're using blueberries, but usually we use strawberries, but you can use anything you like, except for toilet paper. Okay, so I'm just gonna put in a bunch. And I think it's enough, And it's the last handful. And yeah, I'm gonna take the... Hello everyone. I thought that the program should be about inspiring kids and other people to cook amazing recipes like that Jane sausage. If you ever try to make it, everyone, now I'm gonna taste it, but real quick, I'll point out to Sophia and Kenley. Sophia and Kenley, if you ever try to make this and it turns out purple, you did not use strawberries, you used blueberries. Anyhow, let's taste it. Always like and subscribe on a new video. Bye! Usually it takes a... See? Look at that nice piece of peanut butter. Get it? Piece of peanut butter. I also love peanuts. That made a proper spot. There. I'll just put that there. Oh, it's peanut butter, and I love peanut butter.